Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we'll discuss the reasons behind the condensation in your fridge and some quick solutions. Fridge condensation is commonly seen in homes. Water droplets forming inside your fridge can lead to severe cases of food spoilage, mold, and appliance damage. Identifying the cause of fridge condensation and ways to fix it can be helpful in the daily maintenance of home appliances. The following are some reasons why there is condensation in the fridge. Humidity. High humidity levels in the kitchen are a common reason for fridge condensation. When the air is humid, it can cause condensation, and this ends up creating droplets in the fridge. Faulty door. A faulty or damaged door seal is another common reason for fridge condensation. When the seal cannot close well, warm air goes into the fridge, and this causes moisture to form. Overloading. An overloaded fridge can require to use more energy to cool the food or have ice buildup. This can easily cause the fridge to have condensation, especially if the foods stored are still warm. Open door. If you open and close your fridge frequently, it might lead to fridge condensation. This is because warm air can invade the cool space, leading to condensation. Now, let us look at the best solutions that you can apply to fix condensation in the fridge. Replace the door seal. Call a professional electrician to assess your door. Replace or repair the door. Double-check that the door is not letting warm air in. You can start by replacing a faulty or damaged door seal. More often than not, warm air enters through the door and causes condensation. Having the door seal replaced will help to ensure that the cool environment of the fridge is not interfered with. You can have a professional come in to do the repair to avoid damaging your fridge. Ventilation. Open your kitchen windows and doors. Clean your kitchen. Use a dehumidifier with closed doors and windows at night or during the cold season. You can use a dehumidifier to lower the humidity levels in your kitchen. Having good ventilation in your kitchen is also good to allow air circulation. Having your kitchen humidity levels low will help with the sweating. It's good to have your fridge in a cool place. Close the door. This particular one has no steps to take, as it is straightforward. Remember to close the door, and use as little time as possible to get what you need. Ensure that you go to the fridge when you have made up your mind about what to get. This will help you open and shut the fridge quickly to avoid the buildup of warm air that triggers condensation. Thanks for watching.